What happens when a rapper becomes not just a musical sensation but also a sharp businessman? The journey of French Montana is the perfect example of how talent, hustle, and smart investments can transform a young immigrant from Morocco into a $35 million global icon. Let's dive into the incredible story of how this rap mogul built his empire, balancing hit songs, luxury cars, real estate, and lucrative business ventures. Born on November 9, 1984, in Casablanca, Morocco, French Montana's rise from humble beginnings to Hollywood spotlight is truly a rags-to-riches tale. Moving to New York as a teenager, he followed his passion for music, facing countless struggles before becoming a major force in rap. Collaborating with stars like Drake, Nicki Minaj, and Swae Lee, Montana quickly cemented his status as a rap powerhouse. His breakthrough came in 2012 when he signed a major deal with Bad Boy Records and Maybach Music Group. In 2013, his debut album Excuse My French featured hit tracks like Pop That and Ain't Worried About Nothin', which solidified his place in the industry. But French Montana wasn't just about making music. He had bigger dreams and strategic plans that propelled him far beyond the microphone. Today, French Montana's net worth stands at a remarkable $35 million, a figure earned not only through music but also through his entrepreneurial ventures. His diverse income sources, including music sales, concerts, endorsements, and royalties, have contributed significantly to his wealth. French's annual earnings from these ventures exceed $1.5 million. What sets him apart is his business mindset. He founded Coke Boys Records and expanded his wealth with investments in real estate, luxury cars, and brand endorsements, solidifying his place as a true business mogul. French Montana's brand has become just as lucrative as his music career. He's partnered with major brands like Ciroc, Delian, Grenco Science, and Child's Play Clothing, which have brought in millions and helped him secure his spot in the entertainment and fashion worlds. His investments in real estate further showcase his business savvy. In 2016, he bought Selena Gomez's $3.3 million mansion in Calabasas and turned part of it into a recording studio. He later sold it for a profit. Additionally, he owns a $8.42 million mansion in Hidden Hills, a testament to his growing wealth and taste for the finer things in life. A true rap mogul needs a car collection that matches his status, and French Montana's garage is no exception. His collection includes some of the world's most coveted vehicles, like the Bugatti Veyron, Rolls-Royce Wraith, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Not to mention, his L'Iraqi Epitome, a rare hypercar from Morocco, is a special nod to his roots. These cars aren't just about speed, they're a symbol of French Montana's luxurious lifestyle and success. Real estate is another cornerstone of French Montana's wealth. His portfolio includes high-end properties like his $8.42 million mansion in Hidden Hills, California. In addition to this, his previous investments, including the Calabasas mansion, showcase his ability to turn luxury properties into profitable ventures, making him a savvy player in the real estate game. Beyond music and business, French Montana has mastered the world of social media. With over 37 million followers on Instagram and a strong presence on YouTube, his influence extends far beyond the music industry, further solidifying his position as a global icon. While his professional success speaks for itself, French Montana's charitable efforts are equally commendable. In 2018, he became a U.S. citizen, and his philanthropic work includes raising funds for the construction of the Subi Hospital in Uganda. His contributions have earned him recognition as a global citizen ambassador. French Montana's musical achievements include multiple awards, such as 2 BET Hip Hop Awards. His albums Excuse My French and Jungle Rules went platinum, further contributing to his fame and fortune. He's also appeared on TV shows like Wild 'N Out and The Perfect Match, which helped expand his influence beyond music. French Montana's journey from the streets of Morocco to becoming a $35 million icon proves that with vision, hard work, and smart investments, anything is possible. From hit albums to real estate mogul and social media influencer, his story is an inspiration. His journey shows that success doesn't end when the music stops, it just evolves. Inspired by French Montana's hustle and achievements. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible stories of how passion, perseverance, and vision can turn dreams into lasting success.
Feel like I'm fresh out boost. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the